Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are with you. We are with you in Tbilisi, in Georgia. I flew back here after 1 month when I was staying in Belarus. It's September, but still I can tell you the atmosphere in the city is very nice, very comfortable weather for traveling, for enjoying the city. And today in this video I will show you 5 best night bars. And at the moment I came to the most popular between local people. Really lots of Georgian guys and girls are here. The bar named Love Bar. You can see that behind me also people are queuing. It's really like popular and very good rate in general. It's an open air bar, nice DJs playing techno music, electronic music. So I can see Georgian people really like such kind of nightlife bars. Yeah, it's a little bit different if you compare with Belarusian way of partying, for sure different, but it's also very enjoyable. The bar looks really cool. There are so many areas where people hanging around. Here you can see this is a part of the restaurant, so you can eat if you're hungry. It looks so nice. Guys, we are continue with you to explore Tbilisi nightlife, and right now we are at the zone named Wine Factory number 1. If you remember, I was doing the video about best restaurants in Tbilisi, so there I already showed this area, but at the same time here you will find many cool bars, so definitely you can come here in the night. You can see at the moment that there are so many people also behind me. It's really crowded. Today is Saturday night, and definitely there are lots of people at the moment. It's also important to mention that nightlife in Tbilisi is way different than in Minsk in Belarus. People prefer here either like big clubs with techno music or like restaurants, which is at the same time also bars. Just move around, enjoy different kind of locations, and the good thing is if you're hungry you also can eat here. And we decided also to eat a little bit at this restaurant. Very good rates. You can see what we order. It's our starter, cucumber and tomato salad, some warm bread, fresh juices, and bread with corn inside. I don't know what it is. And kemale. And we also ordered a roasted chicken with blackberry sauce. And you can see this is our total bill for the food at the restaurant. Guys, right now we are in an old part of Tbilisi. I'm gonna show you most popular street here in the city among tourists. First of all, probably you will not find here local people, and I should say that the prices are slightly higher than around the city in general. But still, tourists for sure like this area. The name of the street, Shardeni. You can see it right now behind me, and I already can hear Russian songs. So for sure, many people from Russia, from Belarus, from Ukraine probably will like it. Overpriced place. There are many restaurants, many bars where you can also smoke hookah, enjoy, buy here roses. So it's typical touristic place, but for sure tourists like it still. And yeah, just you can come here to see and enjoy your night. But you know, guys, if you would ask me where I prefer to go and what is most similar to Belarusian way of partying, probably this is gonna be the street Shardeni, because it's you know, our music, or the music which we used to listen to in Belarus, and the way I think it's more similar to our country here rather than like at Love Bar or any other techno clubs, you know, big one or something like that. Another place named Fabrika. The owner is the same which built also Stampa Hotel. The cool thing is that here you can come and find nice locations for working with your computer, so like co-working place. Also, I would say this place is very popular between young people, students, because the prices are average, very affordable, and there are different kind of small cafes, restaurants, and bars.
Смотри, один.
Also, in this complex, there is like a hostel where you can stay, you can share one room with other people, and also have like private rooms. And guys, I came right now to another place very popular between local people here in Tbilisi, named Lolita. I hope you can see it right now behind me, the red letters. It's also located just in front of Rooms Hotel, which is a part of Stamba Hotel. And definitely I can tell you it's a super popular place. Always there are no free tables, so you should prepare and book a table for sure in advance. But believe me, the place is probably like #1 for having dinner and at the same time just to, you know, like enjoy the evening with nice music. Very good food, nice drinks, and prices are average and also very affordable. Guys, we were very lucky because every year here in Georgia, in Tbilisi, people celebrate the festival of harvesting and also the day of the city of Tbilisi. So it's always first days of October, and it's really amazing celebration. You can see how many people, local tourists. Very nice atmosphere, live band behind me. Please come here and enjoy also. Guys, if you have been to Tbilisi before, please share in comments what was your favorite place here in the city. And please subscribe to the channel, don't miss my future videos here. Thank you so much and see you soon.